If I were to choose between life and death, I would use my last breath to tell you how much I love you. Loving you is like loving life itself. Having you is like having God Himself. You bring the best in me. Ever since I was born, my heart knew that there was someone truly special for it. If I had met you earlier, I would have loved you, Maria. You are my pillar of strength. Your beautifulness brings joy into the whole world. Your beautifulness describes your good personality. I wanna love you forever and ever. If this is not fate, then it's a mistake.